In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify free version. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and search for Printify. When the results appear, click the official Printify link. Look for the secure HTTPS address and the recognizable branding so you know you're in the right place. Once the site loads, log into your account. The free plan is perfect for getting started, and everything we're doing today works on it. After you're in, connect your account to your selling platform of choice: Etsy, Shopify, or TikTok Shop. If you don't have a store yet, you can also use Printify's free pop-up store to accept orders without a separate storefront. Connecting now ensures your products can publish smoothly later. Next, head to the catalog. Browse categories like shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You can create and publish as many products as you want on the free plan. While you explore, glance at each product's print providers, sizes, colors, and base costs, so you choose items that fit your audience. When you've picked a product, click Start Design. In the editor, you can upload your artwork from your device, Dropbox, or Google Drive. For the best results, use high-resolution PNG files with transparent backgrounds, and keep your design inside the indicated print area. If you don't have artwork ready, you can also click the AI option, add a clear prompt, and generate an image right inside the editor. Refine your prompt for style, color, and composition, and remember to review usage rights for any generated or sourced content. To offer customization, click Personalize and add a text box that customers can edit with their own names or messages. Place it within the safe zone and pick readable fonts. For static elements you control, click. Add text to add banners, quotes, or names, and adjust size, color, and alignment. Use My Library to revisit previously uploaded designs, reuse them on new products, or make updates. Click Graphics to access shapes, curved text, and other editable elements that enhance your layout. If you've saved layouts, open My Templates to speed up future creations. For more design options, you can also click through to Shutterstock or Fiverr. These are great sources, but always check licensing and permissions before publishing. On the right sidebar, open Variants and Layers. Choose which colors and sizes you want to offer, hide any you don't plan to sell, and use layers to organize and reorder artwork elements cleanly. Before finalizing, click Preview to see realistic mockups. Inspect placement and scaling on each variant. When it looks right, click Save Product. You'll find it under My Products, ready to go. Select it and click Publish. Your listing will automatically push to your connected store, like Etsy or Shopify, and remain active until you remove it. That's it. You've created and published a product using Printify's free version.